Dear student, how are you? I hope all the students are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. We know that we have taken a lot of online class. So, welcome to online class for the HSC students. Today I will discuss an important topic which is changing sentence or transformation. This is for you because in the second paper there are 12 grammar part, and this grammar option changing sentence is very important, or uh, ch- changing sentence is very important. In that way I will discuss about changing sentences. Okay, in the changing sentence there are four items in the changing sentence. These are functional sentences, structural sentences, voice, and degree. These four types of items in the grammar of changing sentences. Okay, we know learning outcome. From these changing sentences we can learn many things. At first you know about sentences, structural of sentences, know about use of parts of speech, know about pattern of sentences, know about various parts of sentences, know about effective use of sentences, to know about the meaning of sentences. Okay, so at first we know that a sentence is a set of words expressing a statement, a question, or an order, usually containing a subject and a verb. So it is very important, subject and verb. If a sentence which makes must a subject and a verb, for that reason it is very important. Example of a functional sentence, because today we will discuss about functional sentences. Okay, affirmative, uh, he is a good student. Negative, he is not a bad student. Interrogative, is not a is not he a good student. Imperative, let him be a good student. Optative, may you be a good student. Exclamatory, what a good student he is. This is the example of functional sentences. Okay, now today I will discuss changes the sentences about uh, affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, assertive to imperative, imperative to exclamatory, assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to assertive. Okay, now functional sentences. Functional sentences are five kinds: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. These five types of sentences in the functional sentences. Okay, now today assertive sentence. You know that what kind of assertive sentence? Assertive sentence that gives its statement is called an assertive sentences. So it is very important. Statement, you know, statement are two types: positive or negative, or affirmative or negative. In this two way we can express our views, express our saying. Yes. Okay, for that reason assertive sentence is very important. Assertive sentences are two kinds: affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Affirmative sentences, the sentence that gives a positive sense is called affirmative sentence. Example: he is a good student. Negative sentence, the sentence that gives a negative sense is called negative sentences. Example: he is a bad student. Okay, affirmative to negative. Today we can discuss about this. Okay, at first we can uh, go about rules without auxiliary verb. Without auxiliary verb, if there is no auxiliary verb, you can use do not, does not, or did not. Okay, when do not, if the verb is present, and when does not, if the verb with s or es, did not, if the verb is past tense. For that reason, affirmative sentence there is no auxiliary verb, but when you make the sentence in negative, there must have use a an auxiliary verb, because not are not used in without auxiliary verb. For that reason, if the affirmative sentence there is no auxiliary verb, you must have give the auxiliary verb in negative sentences. For that reason, this is very important of that rules. I like him. Negative: I don't like him. He likes me. He doesn't like me. He liked me. He didn't dislike me, because all the negative forms are used in auxiliary verb. So, very important to know. Now, with auxiliary verb, if the sentences have an auxiliary verb, you can make the negative sentences only use with auxiliary verb not, and give the opposite verb after the use of negative. He will come here. He will not go there. There will is an auxiliary verb. There is use not, and opposite word come and go. Okay, I shall remember you. I shall not forget you. Okay. Now, another rules: only or alone. If the sentences give with only or alone, you when you make the sentences in negative, you can use without the you can use only or alone is out of the two words. You can use not, none but, nothing but, not more than, or not less than. When none but, if the personal noun there is used none but. If the things of the noun there is used nothing but, and countable noun there is used not more than or not less than. So it is very simple. It is remember that only alone, you turn off the only alone. Only the place of it only alone, you can use none but, nothing but, or not more than, or not less than. There is a example. Another rules: must, have to, has to. Okay, must, have to, has to. If the sentences make with must, have to, has to, you can turn into these sentences into negative. Only the place of must, have to, has to, you can use cannot but or cannot help. If you use help, there must be use ing with the principal verb. If there is use affirmative sentence have to, you can use could not but or could not help. Okay, could not help. Help, after help you can use verb ing. Okay, and an example, he must do it, he cannot but do it. Okay, I hope it is very clear to all. Only a short things will be remember. Must, have to, has to turn into cannot but cannot help. Had to, could not but could not help. It is very simple if you follow the rules. Another rules, both dot dot end, or both dot dot end or only end. If the sentences there is use of both dot dot end, both dot dot end is used only subject. There is two noun or pronoun with used both dot or end. If you make the sentences into negative, uh, in the place of both you can use not only, and is the place where you can use but also. Okay, so the remember is that both dot or and is turned into not only but also. Okay, an example, both Rohim and Korim will do it. Not only Rohim but also Korim will do it. He took ice cream and coffee. He took ice cream and coffee. He took not only ice cream but also coffee. Okay, so it is very simple. Another rules, every you can use, if the sentences use in every in a subject, every turn into there is no. After every you see a word, every mother, every father, every or any kind of things, you can use to turn into negative only the place of every you use there is no, and words is used then you can use but. Okay, so this is a negative form. Every negative form there is no dot or but. So it is very simple. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Okay, if you follow this, it is understand very clearly, very easily. Okay, there is another rules. There is no who dot or doesn't or no. Every in the place every you can use no, but if you use no after the use of no you can make the verb in opposite word. So it is very easy if you do, if you use there is no but, it is very easy. Another, as soon as started to no sooner had, no sooner had. If you use no sooner had, you can use the verb past participle, and uh, in the middle of the two clause you can use then, because no sooner had dot dot then. As soon as a positive form, but negative form is no sooner had. The structure is that no sooner had, if you use then the verb must, verb 3, and in the middle of two clause you can use then. Okay, I hope it is clear. All the things is very easy if you see the class is very regularly. Then we can go another rules. Always, if the affirmative sentence there is use always, then you can make the negative form. Always is the place where you can use never, and then place opposite verb. Okay, so uh, always is a positive form, affirmative form, but negative form is never plus opposite word. He always punctual, he never late. He always positive, he never negative. So always is a positive form, never is a negative form. Another 2.2. 2.2 is a positive affirmative form, but if you make the sentences negative, the place to you use so, and to that plus subject plus cannot could not. Okay, so it is very shortly remember 2.2. So that plus subject plus cannot could not. He is so weak to walk. An example, he is so weak that he cannot walk. There is a structure, you can follow the structure very clearly. Okay, now another rules. S dot is an affirmative form, but not less or no less is the place first S, and the second S you can use then. So it is very clear. S is a affirmative form, but negative form not less or no less than. He is an example. He is as weak as me. As weak as me. So is the place of is as. In that, in the place where you can use not less than. He is not less weak than me. Okay, so it is very simple. Sometimes is a positive form, affirmative form. When you make the sentence into negative, you can always remember that not is not used singly. He not used in a auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verb you must have used in a negative form. So sometimes if there is no auxiliary verb, you must have used do not, does not, or did not. And sometimes is the place where you can use always. If the sentences there is use auxiliary verb, only not always you can use. So he sometimes comes here. An example, he does not always come here. Another example, another rules, superlative degree. You know degree, superlative degree is a positive form. If you use negative, you can turn into positive form. Okay, it is positive form, and the rules no other. Okay, subject plus verb plus the plus degree plus object is a form or superlative form, and the positive structure no other plus object plus verb plus as degree as plus subject. Okay, so you can follow this. Another rules, interrogative form. If the sentence affirmative form is universal truth or habitual fact, you can use the negative as a interrogative form. Okay, interrogative form, you know that auxiliary verb at first, then not, and after other things. Okay, so an example, health is wealth. Negative form isn't health is wealth, is an auxiliary verb. So in front of the sentences you can use isn't. Okay, there are some things. Many is a negative form, not a few. A few, negative form, not many. Mass, negative form, not a little. A little, negative form, not much. So if you see that an affirmative sentence there is use many, few, mass, little, you can use not a few, not many, not a little, not much. Only not is used. So it is very simple. It is very clear. So thank you everybody. Thank you. If you see the class very regularly, it will help you to make the sentences in, into affirmative to negative or changing sentence. If you saw the class, I hope you will surely follow, you will surely make the sense, the sentences. You will know more today. Allah help you. Okay, thank you everybody.